And when I got into Woody's work, I started visiting his archives. And I got to see all of the verses of This Land Is Your Land. And the one that really hit me is what I call the steeple verse. And it goes, in the shadow of the steeple I saw my people. By the relief office I saw my people. They stood there hungry, and so I stood there asking, was this land made for you and me? And that really blew my mind, because there's a highway that runs right through the center of my hometown. It's called I-35. And on the east side of that interstate, there's a steeple from a seminary. And on the west side, there's a relief office. And so when I read those words that Woody wrote long ago, I saw my hometown. And I call where I grew up a boomerang town, because a lot of folks that try to leave it end up coming back to it pretty quick. I was working at the supermart when I fell for Julie, knocked her up. Like everybody said I would. The day I turned 16, I got that job. I couldn't wait to buy a car, save enough, leave this town for good. In August, I asked Julie if she'd run away. She said she wanted to wait till May to graduate. She'd be the first in her family, so I stayed behind. Thought she could get a scholarship to college, become a nurse, travel the world, but all of that took a back seat when we saw those double lines. As for me, the only dream I've ever had is getting out of this boomerang town. You think you're soaring, you think you're flying, too young to know there's no use trying. You spin in circles, round and round, in this boomerang town. It's a boomerang town. Julie got a GED and a job off 35. The only joint in town that's open all night. The diner next to the seminary. She serves the truckers, the troubadours, the punks, the college kids who trash their booths, all stoned and drunk, who always pay but never tip with the daddy's money. Julie and I come from similar kin, heavy drinkers, quick to anger's fist to skin. They all live and die here. That won't be us, I swore to her. I promise you will see the world. I just don't know. for me, the only dream I've ever had is getting out of this boomerang's hand. You think you're soaring, you think you're flying, too young to know there's no use trying. You spin in circles, round and round, in this boomerang town. It's a boomerang town. After her shift, she lights a smoke upon the bridge. Under the billboard painted Jesus lives. Julie steps over the rail, thinks about salvation. The sun arrives and collides with the steeple, cast a shadow over God's most desperate people. Julie takes it as a sign, lets go and starts flying. As for me, the only dream I've ever had is getting out of this boomerang town. It feels like soaring, it feels like flying. Now I know it's only dying. You spin in circles, round and round, in this boomerang town. Thank you all so much.